for this race. Good Humor and Scout Ranger. Gates open, they're up and racing. We have entry number 8, 4 Speed, draws for your lead. Salinas, 8A to take second. Instant racing in third. Moving up to take fourth from the outside is Scout Ranger, Jaden Diamond. Good Humor is racing in 6th. Then racing in 7th is Sailor King. Followed over by Sailing Away is Specially Discreet. Keep Your Distance. Running fourth last, Dr. Choice. Then running second last, Miss Delicious. And Lord Gold is racing in 13th as the action turns to the final corner. Entry number 8, 4 Speed leading the field is Scout Ranger Isari outside. 8A Salinas, then moving up party outside. Good Humor. Instant is by the rail. We have Scout Ranger with Ayi Tanshoko winning this race over 4 Speed. Good Humor. Instant. Then comes Salinas Sailing Away. And number 5, Jaden Diamond.